What's up, guys? So, hey, today, guess what? Very exciting news for Fake News Off-Road. We're up to something. What are we doing? Let's look. There's a trailer. Whose trailer is that? It's not mine. I had to borrow it. Big shout out to Aaron and Anna. Thank you guys for letting me borrow this bad boy. Or should I say Denise borrow it? I'm not using it. My rig fits on my trailer. So she's got problems, not me. We are adding another rig to the fleet. That's right, I said it. It's a turnkey, ready to go, truggy. I was getting ready to say buggy. We're talking 1-ton sticky 43s, boosted, Atlas. That's right, I'm buying her a rig. Why? Because she deserves it. That's why, because she's a badass mom and a badass wife. So stay tuned and let's go check this out.
We did not do very good filming or anything, but here she is. Getting her unloaded right now. And stay tuned because I'll take you guys and we'll do a walkthrough of it.
Turn driver. Turn driver. There you go.
Alright guys, here she is. It is a 1988 Toyota Tacoma extra cab pickup. It has a freshly built 22 RTP on 10 pounds of boost. It is running on propane as well. Motor is actually still in a break-in period right now. So once I'm all done with that, then we can really get after it and have fun with it. But we're still doing the break-in right now for it. It's got a brand new center force clutch in it. It's got a W56 transmission to a Toyota 228 crawl box, doubled to a 4.3 Atlas with a hydro handbrake and a full flat belly. It's also 4-linked front and rear, 14-bolt, new 538 gears, 3/4 ton brakes, the 43-inch SX Sticky tires with the Battleborn wheels. This thing has tons of extra goodies on it. Horn VR10 winch, like my rock lights are on phone controls, PRP seats and harnesses, factory dash, working heaters, wipers. It's got a full stereo system with a 10-inch sub, and it just came with tons of extra goodies. We got half doors, full doors, fenders, hoods, tons of different things, extra parts, fire extinguishers. I mean, this thing was turnkey, ready to go. Thanks to Cody. I mean, he's been a follower of ours for quite a while. We've followed him in the truck for quite a while, and it was just really cool how it worked out. Obviously, you guys know that we were building the Samurai, the tin top for me. That still might happen, but it's going to be a while, and we knew, you know, I could either spend all that money on the rest of the parts for it, but then Bill would still have to build it and put all the work and time and everything else into it. It actually made more sense. This thing was just set up so well, and there was so much time and effort and everything put into the build that we couldn't pass it up for the price. So meet my new girl. I'm naming her the side chick. It's our second rig in the stable. It's gonna be perfect for the snow. Super excited. So we're gonna have it up at King of Elbe this coming weekend. You guys see us, come say hi. We'd love to see you guys. Check out the new rig. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe for more, and I'll have a full video of the King of Elbe races coming up soon. All right, guys, I'll catch you next time on Fake News Off-Road.